Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Almost 3 weeks ago, I shared this video with you when I told you that the price action of Bitcoin has formed an up channel, and this was the video as well. You can see that the price line was moving in this up channel, and I told you that the price action can reach up to the resistance of the channel that was at $60,000. And now if we take a look at this live daily chart, then the price action has rallied up to $61,781 as per the Bitstamp exchange. And in the meanwhile, the price line has also formed the higher lows. Therefore, this up channel has been changed to this rising wedge pattern. That is not good because the rising wedge pattern is considered as a bearish reversal pattern. But in this bullish market, it is also possible for the Bitcoin to break out this resistance, rather breaking down this support. And the Bitcoin did so many times during this bull run. Okay, we will analyze this chart, but before this, I want to show you this chart that I shared yesterday at the Patreon. And that was the Bitcoin was completing this final leg of the bullish bad pattern on this daily time frame chart. Sorry, this was the 12-hour chart. And we can see that the price line was just moving above this buying zone. And by the way, I'm also sharing the different harmonic trading ideas at the Patreon. And if you would like to support me here, then I have also shared the link in the video's description to join me here. Let's move back to the chart. And at this time, this bullish reversal move on the 12-hour chart is really very important. We have the 50 simple moving average support. The price line was completing this bullish reversal move. And after playing this chart, we can see that the price action did drop up to this buying zone, and we had a very long spike, but it is reversed back and entered in this buying zone again. And in the meanwhile, the price line is also at the support, and today's candlestick is really very important. You can see that today's candlestick has been opened below this support of the rising wedge pattern. That is a bit critical. We can see, let me zoom it out and it will be easy for you to watch. We can see that the candlestick has opened below this support of the rising wedge pattern, but we still have the 25 simple moving average support on this daily time frame chart. And we can see that previously the price action for a while broke down this 25 simple moving average and moved back again. It is working as a very, very good support. And if we take a look at the exponential moving averages, then the price line is also at the support of EMA 21, and you can see that it is using the EMA 21 very well during this bull run. And it is also possible that it will save the price line to break down this support. However, at this time, this is the make or break situation for the Bitcoin, because we are at the end of this rising wedge pattern, and the price line is retesting this support of this rising wedge pattern again and again. And we have more retests of this support of the wedge than the resistance. Therefore, it is possible that the price line will break down the support of the wedge. However, the volume is not supporting this breakdown. Even though the candlestick has been opened below this support, we still have the 25 simple moving average support as well. And we also have the immediate support of 50 simple moving average daily below the candlesticks. However, if you see the volume so far, the volume is decreased, and we don't have any significant sell volume to confirm this breakdown. And at this time, two things are really very important. One is the volume. If we will have the sell volume at this time, then the price action may confirm us that it is going to break down this support. And this is you can see this is the volume oscillator that is showing the power of volume. And previously we had the powerful sell oscillator, like here we had the powerful sell oscillator, and the price action moved to this support. And here we had the powerful buying oscillator, and the price action moved to this resistance. Therefore, we need a powerful buying or sell volume. And you can see previously when the price action entered at the support of this rising wedge pattern, and the volume at that time was also decreased. And then we had, when the price action moved at this support, we certainly had a powerful buying volume, and the price action rallied to the upside at this resistance. Now the price action is at the end of this wedge, and at the support of this wedge as well. And we can see that the volume is again decreased. If the buyers will start buying from here, then we can expect a rally at least up to this resistance of the rising wedge pattern. That is approximately at $66,000 to $67,000. And from there, we can expect a breakout or another move to the downside. And for example, if the price line will break down this resistance, this support of the rising wedge pattern, we need to care of two things. For example, we need to keep an eye on this the volume first of all. If we'll have the sell volume, then definitely the price action can break down this support. And we also need to keep an eye on the daily closing. If we will have the daily closing here below the price below the support of this rising wedge pattern, then the price action can break down this support of the rising wedge pattern, and it can move to the downside. In that situation, our first support can be here. That is approximately at $45,000, and the next support will be here. That is approximately at $30,000, and after that, our next support will be here. That is approximately at $17,500. So this will be our first support. If the price action, if we will have the daily closing below this support of the rising wedge pattern, and we will have the sell volume as well, and the price action will also break down this 25 simple moving average, then we can expect that this 50 simple moving average will be also broken down, and the price action will be reached up to this level. However, if we will have a buying volume, or at least we will have a follow through of the buying volume, not the powerful buying volume, at least a follow through, like we did not have the powerful buying volume here when the price action was at this support, but we had continuously buying volume, a good follow through. Therefore, the price action gradually moved up to this resistance of the rising wedge pattern and rallied up to $61,700. Therefore, we can expect, if we will have the continuously buying volume, a good follow through of the buying volume, or the powerful buying volume as well, then the price action can reach up to this resistance. However, if we'll have the sell volume and the closing below this support of the wedge, then there is a strong possibility that the price action will move to this next support of $45,000. And definitely, if we will have the daily closing below this support of the rising wedge pattern, then it can produce bearish sentiments in the market. And definitely the traders will start selling, and the price action can move down. So this was the update so far. I hope that you liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me here at the Patreon, then I have also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.